This is a cleaning gadget that feels kind of lazy in the best possible way. I was sent this product in exchange for a video. I like this touchless vacuum dustpan because it takes one of the more annoying parts of sweeping and makes it easier. Instead of bending down with a regular dustpan and trying to line everything up perfectly, you just sweep the dirt, hair, crumbs towards the sensor to pick it up. That alone makes it feel way more convenient, especially if you're cleaning often. I like that it has two cleaning modes because that gives you a little more control depending on what kind of mess you're dealing with. The nozzle attachment is a nice bonus too if you want to get into corners or smaller areas. And if you've got pet hair, food crumbs, or you're in a salon type setup with a lot of hair on the floor, this kind of thing makes a lot of sense. Another nice thing is the dust bag setup because it keeps cleanup a little more contained instead of everything flying around again. This feels like one of those practical floor cleaning tools that can save a little effort and make quick cleanup feel smoother, especially if you deal with hair and floor messes all the time. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.